All right, so here we are on the data collection. So you're once again going to highlight just that and drag across, boom. Got it? Then press the control button or is it command on your Apple devices, and then you select say phone. Can you see how it has actually not highlighted the laptop, bro? Yeah? Okay, now you shall click on that graphing or insert chart function. And magic happens because Google Sheet does the graphing for you, yeah? So what it does, it tells you this is only based on your phone usage over 3 to 4 weeks. Um, the missing component there is because there was 0 minutes most likely, or maybe I did not enter my data there. Okay, question.
Mine didn't do that. Do you have to do the whole?
Yes, you gotta. So let me show you this again, yeah? I'm just gonna press Control Z so I go back to what I was. If I press Control and then minus, my screen size becomes smaller. Of course, I can see. What if I would like to do the whole thing? Okay, and if I went then insert graph function. Now, I don't have an issue with that, but are you able to read the graph and what's going on? Might make the graph a bit bigger. Okay, close that and drag that a bit. So here it shows you on the Monday, the blue, the color is on the top is your laptop usage, and the red is your phone usage, and there's nothing on Monday um, for the particular day because there was no usage on TV. So obviously, how high is a zero bar? It doesn't exist, right? So therefore, by default, it's not there. So you're more than welcome to leave this graph alone as it is, like this, but it's your ability to decipher and tell the teacher or the marker or whoever's reading what is going on. So have a play around with your data, see what kind of graph you'd like to do. Now, if I delete this and I say, hey, what if I only wanted my laptop usage? So you can have your 3 individual bar graphs like that. So that is only on laptop. Yeah. You can change the color. You can make the graphs look 3D. I've posted some more YouTube videos about it. Have a play around that. And you can do a lot of exciting, funny things. Did you know you can also do this and in not filter and change that to if I do a line chart, it is very important you understand how to read that. It's cool to do a line graph, in other words, a time series graph. It shows you what's happening on Mondays. So on the first Monday, that red line shows the usage for phone was quite high, 350 plus minutes. Okay, and I wonder if every Monday that tends to be what's the word I'm looking for? Trend. Trend. Time series gives you trends, or ability to see patterns based on time. I'm going to stop my recording. So